A foundation model or large language model is an AI system which is trained on massive amount of data. We can use these models to generate text, translate text, images, videos, code, etc. These large language models or foundation models are very flexible. Same model can be used to translate text or classify images or generate video from text. Things get interesting when you want to customize these models as per your requirement. As you can see on this chart, as the cost and time spent on each way of customizing model increases, its accuracy increases too. One of the cheapest and quickest way is prompt engineering. Prompt is just the way you ask LLM to do something. Once you ask something from a model, and if that response of model is not satisfactory, you can improve your prompt by making it more descriptive, and the response of the model will improve too. Prompt engineering is normally the starting point of customizing the models. For example, if you simply ask a model, "What's the weather?" it might just return weather of anywhere, of any time. But if you ask it, "What's the weather in Sydney right now?" then it's likely to return more accurate response because you have given it a location and you have given it a time. Then comes the retrieval augmented generation, or RAG in short. In simple words, it means that on the basis of input, the model will find similar data and returns a response on the basis of that similar data. We also call it embeddings. I have another video where I explain it in very simple words, but embedding is. For example, if you ask model how many species of kangaroos exist in Australia, then the model will search for all the documents about kangaroos in its dataset and it will return you the results. Then we have fine tuning, where you point LLM to your own proprietary dataset. For example, if you're in education industry, then you might just point your LLM to all of the data in your Confluence, Jira, SharePoint, Google Drive, or wherever your company stores that information. LLM will train on that data and will return your responses in context of your company. And then at the top, we have most advanced, most accurate, and most costly way, which is to create a brand new model trained on your own custom data set. There are so many steps to that, including measuring the accuracy and performance, and the cost is huge. Well, so these are all the ways in which you can customize a model. I hope that was informative for you. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much.